exceptionally happy with Santa Barbara Evolution Landscape. They did our backyard. The workers were polite, professional, did a good job.
The cleanup work was excellent, and just everything.
The service very good. Like nice people. They make a good job here on this place.
I must say that we have been very pleased by the attention to detail that everybody has paid in this endeavor, and all the employees that were fantastic. Nice people, very reliable.
Very nice, kind people, extremely good work. We were so happy. Came every day and I kept working and just do a perfect job.
Good. Just to let you know, we had Santa Barbara Evolution do this grass, and it turned out to be excellent. Very nice, and we've been very happy with the group, and beautiful.
No, pues yo pienso que está muy bien el trabajo, hacen todo bien, el encargado les pide alguna cosa que hagan y lo hacen muy bien. Y pues sí, me gusta el trabajo que hacen.
It's great. You know, when you guys show up, you do an awesome job. You check in to make sure that we're happy. That's exactly what we're looking for.
Yeah, they did a very good job on putting in my patio here and walking around the new pathway. Work was done very professionally and very friendly, helpful, and made good suggestions for me to get this thing completely the way I want it. And I have a nice sitting area now.
Oh, I think it's great. They've done a great job. The best part is that every week you come, it gets better and better. And not only that, but you are able to talk with them and point out stuff, and they will be ready and open-minded to advice.
Here I am in my wonderful new garden, thanks to SB Evolution Landscape, with freshly planted planters, a beautiful bamboo growth, and excellent landscaping.
I think Santa Barbara Evolution Landscape provides excellent service. I was even able to catch them on the fly while they're providing my gardening and landscaping service today, and ask them to help me trim a tree to help improve my ocean view, and they were willing to do it right on the spot. I'm very appreciative of that.
They've been doing a great job, so we are really thankful for them being on the job.
I love the way that the three guys that work here in this properties, the way they work is amazing. They do more than enough. It's a great company to have, like, to do your landscape and everything.
I think that everybody should use SD Evolution for their landscaping, and they do a great job. You can call them anytime.
I would say 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. They're, like I said, they're doing such a great job that we're glad we hired them.
5-star, 0% to 100%, 100%. 5-star maximum.
We would recommend them to anybody.
Oh, 5 stars.
Pues yo diría que 5, está bien.
10 stars.
5 stars.
5 stars. And a big thumbs up for being here and being jolly on the job.
I would give them a 5-star. Just anything I ask of them, they get it done immediately. And by the time they leave, it's clean, beautiful.
They do a great job.
We are very happy. Would recommend them to anybody that has some work, needs to have some work done.